Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the fob batteries for Ford Mustang. This is a fob that was used in years 2015 through 2017 on a Ford Mustang. Okay, so the key to this fob is actually on the back here. And you flip it over, there's a little button you can depress, and when you depress this, it releases the ability for you to separate these two parts of the fob. You can see there's kind of a line here. So if you depress this, I actually use my finger and then a small flathead screwdriver in the part that you want to separate, you're able to get some leverage and keep that depressed, and you can pop off and separate the first part of this key fob to get access to this internal part. Now there's still another part we need to separate here. So you look at the top here, there's a little indentation. You can get underneath right there to get some leverage because we need to pop out this internal part, separate these two contact points here. And so if you can get some leverage there, just kind of work this back and forth. I actually like something a little larger. And this will allow you to separate this internal part here and actually get access to the key fob battery area that we're going to be changing. So the batteries in here are two CR2025, pretty small thin batteries here. There's two of them, and the polarities go in different directions. So when you pop one out, you'll actually see there's a nice little marking that shows you the direction you need to put the new batteries in. So just make sure you get those in the correct spot there. So also make sure you don't pop out this little piece of metal here that accidentally popped out there. Okay, so you can see the polarity here. So you get your new CR2025 batteries, and make sure those, like this top one, goes with the negative side in, like so. And then you can replace this part here, the middle section. Just make sure you connect these 2 points here with their kind of plastic tong parts there in the middle. Pop that guy back in, like so, and then you can just pop on the back here, and voila, that is how you change the two internal CR2025 batteries on a Ford Mustang key fob. That pops back together, and again, just depress that and remove this middle part here to change it again.